Alright everyone, here's my 1989 trailer, STAV trailer. As you can see, I need to get new wood, 2 new fenders, definitely, and new tires, and definitely wiring. Definitely need a new jack, new wiring, new chains, and back here, see, that one's good, but this one ain't. I also need new ramps because that's missing. And today I'm just gonna be taking the wood out today right now, and possibly the wiring. Okay, as you can see, I got the section of board there. I got half of the trailer here, but I had a cutting disc break off on me, and this is the first casualty of it. So you can see there's more underneath the decking. How bad it is. All you can see there's more of the wiring. I definitely needs to be replaced. Okay, as you can see, this is how far I've gotten. Only have 2 pieces of board left. Forgot to mention in the other clip that this is what happened. The middle just broke right out and it flung it towards my knee. Right there. So, all in all, plus all my batteries are dead, so I can't finish this. So, once I recharge, I'll finish this off today. There you go. As you can see, I got all the boards off, as they're right there. And I just gave the trailer just a quick wash down. I still need to take the wiring out, but I might get that tomorrow or later on today. Okay. As you can see right here, I did get all the wiring out. And I got this little piece that was back, on the line side here. Next up is I'm gonna just paint the middle section, prime and paint it. Sand, prime, and paint it. I'm just do the inside first, because I'm gonna have to grind these off. Because as you see, that one looks fine, but as you come over to this one, it's got a rust hole, so I'm just gonna cut them off and weld new ones on. So make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.